Hi guys, Mrs. Mills here, just going over a little bit of pre-lab with you for your diffusion lab. For this lab, you're going to be using a basic sandwich plastic bag. You're going to be using some cornstarch, and you're going to be using an iodine solution. Okay, so this is the same type of iodine solution we used when we looked at potato cells under the microscope. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is that cornstarch is actually, when you use iodine with cornstarch, iodine's actually an indicator of cornstarch. What that means is when it comes into contact, it's going to do something. So let's just take a little example. Okay, I have a little bit of cornstarch. Here I have like a cup with a little bit of water. I'm just going to add a very small amount as a demonstration so you guys can see. Okay. Mixing it together. And you can see that it's mixed, so the water now is turned white, okay, because it has cornstarch evenly distributed throughout. So I'm going to add a couple of drops of iodine to it. I'm using a pipette, and let's see what happens. So from viewing it, you can see that it's starting to turn colors, okay? If you look at it, it's turning brownish and purplish on the bottom. So it's turning brown, okay? And that's an indicator. All right, so when you get to class tomorrow, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill in your pre-lab from watching this video. What happens when iodine comes into contact with cornstarch. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a pair of goggles, you're going to get your partner, and you're going to read through your lab and get started. Okay? It asks you to pick up a beaker, and then please follow the process of your lab and then answer the lab questions. Okay, this lab specifically has very specific cleanup instructions because you cannot put cornstarch down the sink. Okay, it is considered a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it'll resist flow, so it will not go down the drain. So you're going to have your cornstarch in solution or your starch in a plastic bag for this lab. We're simply going to throw that in the trash. Okay, and I will have the trash cans, and you guys know where they're located inside the classroom. Okay, after you're finished with your lab, you'll answer the questions. If we run out of time tomorrow in class, then you'll have to take the questions home for homework, which will be due Friday. Okay? Have a great evening. Bye.